alright. So, she was just saying, me, the main man in the king at the time, saying when the king blessed me with that. If I say every artist coming out, every man have a young artist with someone promising a team camp, you know. They must say, oh, things have better watch it, you know. Come to that, you know. Saying every man want challenge me. They say, like, stage show, business. I don't want to come to competition. I'm the first man to tap me like 3 times on stage, you know. See? In a class meetings here. See? And that's for them thing the band from, you know. Them big clashing thing there. See? Man, I give up themselves ready for clash of thing. You see me? Because them, you know, so them thing that are the foundation to
oh, yes, man. They're all of the thing, man.
The biggest clash, the first big clash, Sanchez, Courtney Melody, Conroy, Smith, Pinchers, Killer Yo, and everybody that come to me. You understand me? The man not say no chop with the next 2 man and get them out of the way. Me them a come for man want to chop me out of the way. See, how you know me do? Saw them now. One by one. Sanchez is last man. So you kind of said them compare me and Sanchez and I said, well, alright. Sanchez have pretty voice, but Pinchers full of lyrics. See, and them fashionable.
Yeah, man, remember that one.
So this right there. See, I'd kill him.
1980 that National Stadium, right?
Yeah.
They're the man. They're not the place. They're not the place. See it live. SLR Radio 97.7. We're talking to Pinchers, the man who, the main vocalist who run the 80s. You understand? The man go all over the whole world, perform all over the whole world. Right in SLR Radio 97.7. Chris got talking to Pinchers. So Pinchers, so the dominance of Pinchers in the 80s from Courtney Melody to Conroy Smith to Trilla U to Sanchez. Was there any other competition for Pinchers? Any other competitors for Pinchers?
Well, when I say enough man, you have enough of a man like Super Marathon, you know, to tell them come out, you know. I remember saying a part like that, I don't know, I sing like me, you know. See? And, you know, if you feel like a crew, them players, I call you sing. You know, really, you know, sing song because they get boots and everything, but when you have the reason, you know, make no say, oh, that you're hard in the turby and things, I come on a stage show with you. See? Understand me? But them sing some song, I'm rating for encourage. I would just back it up, but we never yet get aggressive. You know, time at all, and feel no way like we want to fight with one another. And with that show, and if a man sing,
yeah.
A man can harmonize it, a man harmonize it same way because the whole way I want. So if a man look for me, and I look for the next man, a man still give some information, and that's how we live like brother, same way. We fuck up on Ghana country, Ghana station, that's how we think so. Same way, that's funny, I want the same way.
Definitely right to an SLR Radio. So my brother, so tell me something now. You perform on all the major stage shows, and from Champion in Action to Reggae Road Call, you name it, you got it. The girl them just love Pinchers. I tell you some memorable moments of your performance of some of the stage shows I've been to in Jamaica. All of them can't even get to them right now. I tell you the truth, Bridget.
You know, the girl, I just talk about girls. Right now, I'm not both, you know, but I talk more thing, you see, but I'm not seeing no fainting I go on again. I'm not a good song I sing same way, and artist act same way. See? So while in time, you know them time, I be a girl just a fall on the screw, all about, and anyone with their Jamaica, no matter where, girl just a drop a side thing. Why? Within them time, you know what people will buck up right now. I one time I travel too far and I say, oh, you see you know what beat me, give me one show you. You know somebody that come look for you. Other people tell me, what man tell me that, you know. So I'm glad when you never come look for me, you know.
Pinchers right here on SLR Radio 97.7. DJ Chris got Sound System Fridays on SLR Radio 97.7. Also www.myspace.com/SLR Radio. We're talking to the man who run the 80s, the phenomenal, the Dan Pinchers. So Pinchers, you're gonna be the first person I've interviewed and asked this question. Which song did you record it you classed as your favorite, coming from Pinchers?
Well, you know, say Your Eyes Only.
Why Your Eyes Only?
I'm my favorite tune. Yeah, and after that, then I won the year. Your Eyes Only, because when I sing it for the girls, no matter what age bracket, you see the effect it have and from the first time when I sing it, how the vibes was in the studio, and all the money I tell me, wait till I do a road and make me feel, them time when we finish and come forward,
Yeah.
12, when Jammins put on some sweetness on it and flavor it up, and I said, this I'm going to hear, you see me?
Yeah.
Man, I know that after the girls, them, and plus, I eat like most of the girls, them drop a gun, you know. I eat like most of the girls, them faint, you know.
Oh, yeah.
You know.
For real, man, cause when they are at the stadium and see all the girl them at the front, and when you touch the stage, I'm gonna pay screaming, I go on one bag of screaming, I'll know you not sing nothing yet, you know me that. I'll know you not sing girls are screaming. At one point, they call you the Jamaican Michael Jackson.
Alright, hear why that go on now. I don't like me to try, cause I'm not my dress code, I don't like him.
Yeah.
Alright, I don't dance and sing like him. You understand me?
Yeah.
I'm going to maintain my skin, when I try, when I rub, when I do nothing, when I scrub. You see me?
Yeah.
But anyway, you know what the similarity was like. The same thing with the girl them. Them faint and ball and drop and go on and all kind of things and run out of them yard and disobey them parents. So come see we have to be amongst us. You see me?
Yeah.
And then again, the tune business now, everything what we touch, that's number one. You see me? And that's a comparison there. Why Bargy decided that, you know? You see me? And it becomes a global talk. You see me? So, you know, I'm not like, we try to be like him in a way, but give thanks to that, because I know that's one of the greatest that. You see me? And I get the title, the setting there, right there, so, a big thing.
Yeah, man, respect you every time, Pinchers. Some of your recordings are, what we could say, did you do more recordings for King Jamis, or you did more recordings for Burrell?
Yeah, I know so much I did. Yeah, man, we do more for jamming.
Okay.
You know?
Alright, my dad.
We do more recording for jamming. And enough of the songs that we do get popular. Because here we go on now from jamming's label. Because here we go on now. In the them time there, it helped me and help enough artists too, for the producers who are trying to get producers of the year.
Yeah.
When they compete for that, you know, seeing your tune off a go because them can't make it by the tune to them produce.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
them go shot your tune go shot. See? And them go, you understand me?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
when Redman voice me, them a try to knock with anything what Jammins have with me, you know. See? Same thing Mr. Burrell are going with, same thing Bobby Digital are going with, and all the rest of producer them, and some enough artists want to put enough label because him want fit in the producer of the ear juggling.
Yeah.
And so I saw them take every artist them. You see me?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So which song is Pincher's #1 song that ruled the charts in Jamaica in the 80s?
Come again?
Which one of his songs in the 80s rule the charts? Is it the Amadan, Request to Their Knees, No Borrow No Gun? Which one of the songs that the big #1 at Jamaica?
You know, so I understand the question because you are telling me everything them live on the chart like termites, so I don't know where I ask you say. I'm gonna go hard and go hard and done, you know.
May I tell you, because me a throughout, me played advocate. So me want you to tell them which tune are your #1 tune coming from your mouth. I don't want to tell SLR listeners.
Oh yeah, I'm telling you about your ball. Your eyes only.
Me that. Alright, we're going to continue the interview next time because we don't want your batch dead throughout the interview. But you know, rough respect, Pinchers. You have anybody in England you want to big up?
Well, I don't know. I don't want to get a thing on a one-sided level, but all of my fans them, England, massive, just big up on themselves. See it from Manchester, London, Leeds, Birmingham, the whole setting, straight across the board. See, and it go global too, you know, because I don't know my family them broad, you know. And the world I cover, you know.
Yeah, man.
I give thanks to all of the people who support Pinchers. And Pinchers there, you know, still I make good music. And give thanks to the Most High for keep alive. Same way and keep up fresh because people don't stop ball and say, oh, you look so young and what you have to keep doing it. I mean, I don't know more than the ordinary. But that's the thing, just just give it a glory there. So we just give thanks to it and give thanks to life and want him. We want to never side him every day in close in our heart. And that may I tell upon them too. Never leave the Almighty. Don't build it out him because you're building DNA to try to that. You hear me?
Yeah, man, give thanks, brother. Give thanks. What drop piece of the old band lyric for you before you go, no, man?
What do you know, sir? I never come to the name to miss man. I'm rich man earlier for years. The green goes and for Sarah. I want you to make way for the band, let go. Cause if they don't know that, my friend, then the number will see. Brokers, pinchers, search up like the sun. I know that. Hey, up pinchers come again. I mean, I got no time to waste. Here around the tune to when me use and bust the place. When the hero come again and I don't got no time to waste. Here around the tune to when me use and bust the place. We give them agony, agony, agony in them body. Agony, agony, agony. Oh, agony, agony, agony. Oh, here I come. And here I am. Oh, mama salute the return for that. Hey, sis, let me send this report to the next. Well, look my way to this is because he made me on her bending knees.
Man.
Hey, when the thing I send me butter, come on, call it. When the thing, don't shot.
Mad, my brother, mad. Not respect pinchers. Thank you very much.
Yes.
You know, stay blessed. Keep the good music as usual. And big up yourself every time I just give thanks and praise to life, my brother.
Yeah, man, let's big up yourself, man, and thanks for having me, and thanks to all the fans and mass of them for listening and for them time with them spent for pinchers.
Enough respect, my Dan. Respect.